Welcome back, everyone. We are back in a destruction video, and this is called a mini dinosaur, brown dinosaur medical pencil destruction. It's made of three different, not three, several different colors. And once you press this thing, I think, yeah. How do you do this? Oh. I think you press like this, and then so you gotta this is the reset button. So and yeah, look at stupid. I don't hate this thing. I don't know what's this for. Yeah, this is like a dinosaur thing. It's called Little Nice Thing. Yeah, it is Little Nice. Yep, Little Nice mini dino medical pencil destruction. Okay. Dang, it's so cold. Let's send this guy to the scrapyard. Enjoy your death. Now, we're gonna say the famous slam and ask okay? We're now gonna, oh, is it dead? Oh, whatever that is. Let's smash this. With smash, smash, smash. Okay. We're done with this part. Just that thing. Okay. Let's do one more throw. One more throw of this. Then we're done. I have to think of this. One more throw. Whoa. Literally one throw. All that's left is a head thing, and there's one here. This one there right now. Let's take these apart. Dang, there's a dead bee. Get this thing out of. Okay. Throw this out of this world. Out of this world. Now his head is remaining. Which means this is an eraser. Let's do something. Wait, 1 second. I wanna rip this thing. Wait. Watch and learn, everyone. I'm about to break this. See this thing? Okay. I'm sending this tool out of this world. One last time, then we're done. Okay. It went over here. Let's test a few items to do with it. Okay, this thing is this door's locked. How about it? Let's try this. How I could smash this eraser easily. Let's see how it does it. Okay, I got this. see more videos, please leave a like and subscribe. If you really enjoy my channel, please like and subscribe and share the video. I'm about to crush this thing. I'm about to crush this. This is so fun to break. I wish I had this thing back in the old apartment. We had that, it's so easy to break. Now I don't know what happened. You guys can wait here while I find something. Let's try this. Yeah. That's not strong enough. That way we can destroy this easily. Hold this first. Let's say, let's throw it a random direction. Yep, mission accomplished. Anyways, guys, that's the end of our video. If you want to see more, click those two boxes for those videos. Click here to watch how to escape Agri Piggy roleplay, or click here to watch all the F trains leaving 21st Street Queensbridge, and click here to subscribe and like and share the video. And I'll see you next time. Goodbye, guys.